Nokia is a very old and reliable smartphone manufacturing company. Now, there is a good news for Nokia fans. If you are waiting for a mid-budget smartphone from Nokia, then your wait is about to end. Because Nokia is going to launch its most awaited smartphone. In this great smartphone, you will get to see Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 150 megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Edge Max 5G 2025 smartphone. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Edge Max 5G 2025. Display. This great phone will have a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, which will come with 2K resolution. With this, the phone will work at a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Other side, in this mobile you will also get features like in-display fingerprint sensor and Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Camera setup. For photography, a triple rear camera will be provided on the back panel of Nokia Edge Max, whose primary camera is going to be 150 megapixels with OIS support. Apart from this, it will also include 32 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 8 megapixel periscope sensor. Well, for selfies, this great smartphone is going to have a 50 megapixel front selfie camera. Processor. Nokia Edge Max 5G 2025 phone will be launched on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor. And as an operating system, Android 15 will be available, with 3 years of OS updates. Battery backup. Talking about battery, you are going to get a strong battery of 6900 mAh. And to charge this big battery, Type-C charging socket will be provided, with 100-watt fast wired charging. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, its estimated price is to be around $500. And if we talk about the launch date, then according to the leaks it will be presented in a few days.